Welcome to Integrated Math 3. On this episode, Stevenson will demonstrate Let's look at another example of long division with polynomials. So again, I have a 4-term polynomial and I want to try to break it down into factors. So the first thing I want to try is grouping. Let's see if grouping works. Now, as I can see here, these do not match, therefore grouping does not work. So that means I need to try some long division. So I'm going to look at my graph here. So let's go ahead and graph this and see. We're going to look for at least one factor we can use for long division. And look at this. We actually have 3 choices we can pick from. +2, -3, and -8. So let's go ahead and do +2 this time, because in the previous example it was a negative. So let's try a positive. So we know that one root is going to be x minus 2. Now notice I'm doing the opposite sign of what's in the graph, remember? Because we're trying to break it down into factored form, so the signs are going to be opposite of what we see. So now what we're trying to figure out is what's the rest of this polynomial look like? So we're going to use long division now to figure that out. So remember, your root goes on the outside. You're going to put down the entire polynomial nice and neatly under the long division box. Let's begin. X times what number will be x cubed? So 1x times 1x squared will be x cubed. So whatever I come up with on here, I'm going to put it above the term that has the same like ranking or power. So this is the cubes, these are the squares, these are the linears, these are the constants. Now let's multiply. X squared times x is x cubed. -2 times x squared is -2x squared. After we multiply, we subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. 9x squared minus a -2x squared is 11x squared. Bring down the next term. Now let's move on to the next one. Positive x times what will give me 11x squared? Answer is 11x. So 11x times x is 11x squared. 11x times -2 is -22x. After we multiply, we subtract. 11x squared minus x squared, 11x squared is 0. 2 x's take away -22 x's is +24 x's. Next term, x times what will be +24x? The answer is +24. So +24 times x is 24x, and 24 times -2 is -48. After we multiply, we subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. -48 plus 48 is 0. So what this means is this polynomial is now x minus 2, and it's left, and is now, this is the quadratic here. And just like before, let's check to see if this factors. So off to the side, 1 times 24 is 24, and 11 is in the bottom. So the products to make 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 6 and 4, 3 and 8. Oh look, 3 and 8 will work. And since a is 1, I can do the shortcut. So this turns into x minus 3 and x minus 8. Actually, these should be pluses here, huh? So this means this factored form is the same polynomial up here. And actually, if you look at our graph here, we actually can see we got those answers right here.